How's it going, everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome again to the channel once again. So on today's video, what I want to cover is, a few terminology around the EOS ecosystem, just in order to understand a bit better how that works. So I started looking into it about a couple weeks ago, and I find it like it's a massive ecosystem. There's a lot to know, but there's a few basic terms initially that you need to understand. So let's dive right into this here. So Block.one, so engineering company ran by Brendan Bloomer, CEO, and Daniel Larimer, CTO. So he's the creator of BitShares and Steemit. So when we refer to Block.one, it's a company designing stuff. All right. EOSIO, so EOSIO, that's the open source blockchain protocol developed by Block.one. So EOSIO is not the EOS chain, so that's the protocol developed by Block.one. And next, so chains that are using EOSIO, so there's many of them, and EOS is one of them. So EOS is one main chain amongst other ones using the EOSIO protocol. So EOS, like I said, Wax, Telos, Proton, FIO, Boris Worbly, and then more as the list here. And then you can find all that information per chains on the actual blocks.io as well. So go on that website, you're going to discover a lot more about EOS and its entire ecosystem. So EOS, so like I said, so EOS is one main chain of the EOSIO ecosystem. So it's a public decentralized blockchain network and the largest implementation of EOSIO as measured by market cap. So that's probably what you hear about EOS quite a bit, because it's the biggest one. But then again, not to confuse again EOS and EOSIO, like I said. And the next one, like I get all my information by going on Telegram, and EOS Nation was a big part of that. So a couple people helped me out, especially Stefan. Shout out to you on that one for helping me out understanding the basics of EOS and the entire ecosystem. So EOS Nation is actually top block producer on EOS as elected by EOS token holders. You can visit them on eosnation.io and also visit their Telegram, EOS Nation. So hopefully that explained a bit more the different terms within the EOS ecosystem. At first I was confused myself as well. So I was like, EOS, so can I send Telos on EOS? Because it's on the same thing. So it's different chains, right? So all sorts of questions you might ask yourself about that. I'm going to go into a bit more details on some specific chains on future videos, but on this one I just wanted to really explain some basic terminology employed around the ecosystem to make you understand a bit better, and from a newbie perspective like I was recently. So hopefully that helps during your process. So hopefully that was some value to you. Again, I post my content on Mondays and Thursdays, and then I hope you get a bit of value out of this. You can share with some friends that are not too familiar with EOS. And then on this, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.